I came to Mountain High School in the year 2010, and at that time Mountain High was mostly portables, and now we have a beautiful building. The school is equipped with state-of-the-art labs, with beautiful classrooms, with big glass windows and efficient office space. Hogan Construction has been amazing, and MHTN has also been very responsive to our needs, and we couldn't be more pleased with what they've done for us.
We did a lot of nice upgrades, got rid of the portables, which I think everybody wanted to see go away. We upgraded all the lighting to brand new LEDs. All of the doors are access control for student safety. The bright colors also add to just the overall mood of the school. You walk in here and you automatically just feel totally happy.
There are a lot of things that are so much better about having this new building. I taught science for a year in a portable with no running water. And when you're stuck in a little box that you're not able to get out of, it's a lot harder to do that. Students now, they have space to be able to explore, and coming to the open house lets you see how excellent our students are, and you get to see the building that they've honestly earned.
One of the aspects of this school that I really appreciate and enjoy is we've incorporated a Zen Garden. So students can, if they want, just go outside, have a moment to relax, to think, to regroup, and we felt like that was pretty important for the student population here.
So here at Mountain High School, we offer not just the basic classes and the core classes. We have CNA courses, all the CTE courses. We also have a lot of courses that we work with the DTC right across the street. We have mountain biking, we have fly fishing, we have digital media. So this is just one example of how students are gaining knowledge that can help them for the rest of their lives. And it happens in almost every classroom here at Mountain High School.
Mountain High School means a future for me, a loving, beautiful place to start my education and to re-find myself and find that place where I can be me and I can help improve the world. When I walk through Mountain High as a senior, I get a little bit emotional. I just love the new building and the education, like the enhancement to our education that the new building has brought, and the ability to try and do all those things that we couldn't do before.
Our open house this evening is a celebration and a recognition of gratitude for what we have. We're grateful for the finances that were made available by the voters, by the community, by the district that has now provided for us an amazing building, an amazing school that kids are proud to be at. They enjoy being here. We just can't say enough good about this building.